Thank you would be nice.
I think it's safe. You can go now.
Thank you for your permission. It's only my life at stake here. I put my neck on the line for you over and over again.
Thank you, Lauren. Are you happy now?
Happy? Have you seen the mess that you've got me in?
I was trying to help you out, OK?
Help me? How have you worked that one out?
By not letting you deliver the car. I don't want you around people like that, Lauren.
People like what? Like you? Oh, do you know what? I'm going home. I don't even know why I came here in the first place.
Because you want me. That's why you came here. You want me, Lauren. And I want you. That's why I called you. That's why I pulled you in. And that is why we are stood here right now. So you can go home, pretend like it's something else. But if I called you, you'd turn up. And we both know why.
Go and put the plates on the car.